Today I'm going to show you how we make the 3 different seeds that you're going to get to test in the Mystery Science activity for today. So you're going to need the science packet. It was in the folder of materials that I sent home, and you need the first 3 pages, and you can just rip them right off the packet. The rest of those papers can stay together, but the first 3 pages are the papers we're going to turn into the seeds that you might have already seen in the Mystery Science lesson and activity. So we're going to start with this one. It is called the glider seed pod. It looks like this. It should be the very first one in your pack with the A, B, C, D, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. So for this one, we are going to start, do you see where this line A is? We're going to fold this down kind of on that line and fold it down to line B, just like that. Next, we're going to fold it down again to line C, and then we're going to fold it one more time down to line D, just like that. Now what you're going to do is, you see this line running down the middle? We are going to fold it on that line and make sure you're creasing, and you can crease with your finger to make it nice and tight so that it looks like this. I have some folds at the top and it's folded in the middle. Now I'm just going to turn it because I want these folds on the bottom, and I'm going to flip it over to the side that doesn't say name. It says glider seed pod, and on this line I'm going to fold it. It's a little tricky. I'm going to fold it in on that line. So I like to put a finger there to help me remember where the line is, and then just kind of fold it and then press it down on that dotted line. So it looks like this. You have a little pocket right here. Then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. I'm going to fold on this line like this. Oops, it's a little tricky. Fold it over on that dotted line like this. And those 2 lines should be relatively matched up. Then what you are going to do is you're going to have a shape that kind of looks like this. And on this end, where you have all of these folds right here, you are going to take a paper clip. There should be a paper clip in the learning bag. I think it's in the math bag, or maybe in one of the science bags. And you are going to put it right there like this. And this actually becomes something that looks kind of like a paper airplane. And this will be the first seed that you can test in the Mystery Science activity. Alrighty, we're moving on to the second one. And on this page, you will notice that there are actually 2 rotocopter seed pods, and it says includes 1 extra, so you only need to use 1 of them. You do not need both of them. So I took one out just to test it, but you're just going to cut out 1. This is a fun activity. If you want to make the other one, you could have a brother or sister or a mom or dad also work on it with you. So you're going to cut out 1 of them, just 1, like this. Then what I'm going to do is, there's this dark line between A and B. I am going to cut all the way down it until I get to the dotted line, and I'm going to stop there. See where my scissors are stopping? Right there. So you have these flaps. Then you are going to fold the A flap on the dotted line towards you, bring it towards you, and then B, you're going to go the opposite way. You're going to do it behind you. Next, what you're going to do is you are going to cut on these 2 lines right here. It almost makes a T shape. I'm going to cut on this line, just into the dotted line, and then I'm going to cut on this line into the dotted line, so that I now have these 2 are little flaps. And I'm going to take C and I'm going to fold it into the dotted line like this and press it down nice and tight. Then I'm going to fold D over it onto C, just like that. And then the very last step I'm going to do is, you can see a very faint dotted line right here. So you're going to follow that line, and you're going to fold this little part up just at the bottom on that dotted line. It's on the inside the dotted line, so it's tricky to see. Then I'm going to take that same paper clip. If you have another paper clip, you can use it, or you can just use the same one from the first activity after you test it. Slide it up there. Then you have this cool little seed one where these 2 kind of go like this. This is the rotocopter. Kind of reminds me of helicopter with the blades like that. And that is number 2. And then finally we are on to the last one, and this one is actually the easiest one. So you are going to get the last piece of paper called the spinner seed pod. It looks like this, and this one you have a lot of extras. You have 4 extras. I've already taken out 2 and tested them, but you only need to cut out 1 of them. You're going to have 4 extras. So again, it makes a really fun activity. If you want to do it with someone else in your family, you could cut it out, and then they could have their very own seed pod to test. So all you need is 1 of these to make the seed pod. Cut it out like so. Kind of reminds me of a ruler. Then I am going to cut on these 2 little lines. I'm just going to cut until the end of the line, and I'm going to stop when the line stops. So here I'm going to trim here, like that, just a little cut on the line, flip it over, and then cut here on this line. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the seed part out, and I am going to wrap this as if I'm making a bracelet. And these little flaps can slide right into each other, and it kind of locks it in place. Kind of cool, huh? So that is my last seed pod that you are going to get to test today. I think it'd be kind of cool to use the rest of these to make like bracelets and decorate them if you don't use them all for the activity, because it makes kind of a handy bracelet. So those are the different seed pods for the mystery science lesson and activity. Hope you have a great time experimenting in the activity.